healthcare segment, KIMS reported a healthy quarter, the strong revenue growth of around 29%. However, the profitability declined year on year, and also the EBITDA margins there, a contraction of over 400 basis points was seen. Also, the company has announced a strategic investment of around 100 crore rupees to raise its stake in Sunshine Hospital to 75.53%. Turning to the small finance bank, we have numbers coming from Jana Small Finance, who reported a weak set of numbers for Q3. The net interest income, it grew around 14% on a yearly basis, while if you talk about their profitability, there it dropped to 10 crore rupees from the earlier 111 crore rupees due to higher provisioning, which increased nearly 24% on a yearly basis. Also, the RBI, it has returned their universal banking license, and the application has been reversed, and also the bank said that will be submitting the revised proposal at an appropriate timing. In the consumer space, we have the results coming in from Sula Vineyards, which posted a disappointing set of numbers for Q3. The net revenue declined 10% on a yearly basis, while the net profit, it fell sharply by around 68%. The EBITDA and the margins also saw significant contractions in this quarter, indicating demand and cost pressure during the Q3. Also, Crompton Greaves Consumer Electricals, it reported moderate revenue growth of around 7% on a yearly basis, while the PAT, it declined 11% year on year. Margins also saw a slight contraction, but on the positive side, the company has announced its entry in the domestic electrical wires and the cable segment. Now, moving on to some corporate updates, we have IDBI Bank. The government said that the financial bids have been received and now will be evaluated, while separately Kotak Mahindra Bank has come with a clarification that it is not participating in the bidding process for IDBI Bank. Moving on to the PSU financing space, we have the updates coming in from the board of PFC and RECL, who have given a nod of the proposed merger, marking a key step ahead for the consolidation process. Lastly, keep your eyes on PB Fintech, where we have a clarification coming in from the management and the board, which said that they are not considering a QIP as of now in the near future, and easing concerns around the potential equity dilution. Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Mithali, for joining us with all the stocks and news. Let's move on and talk about SBI. That is another counter that will be in focus in the back of reporting healthy set of earnings for the quarter gone by. Profit for the quarter rose by over 24% to 21,028 crore rupees compared to last year, beating the expectation.